Okay, so I got me a shortwave radio. It's got a crank on the back. It has a solar panel to charge as well. So it's got a crank back there. Solar panel. I don't know what station this is. They broadcast it Spanish. Usually I get WMRI, which is usually right about here on the dial. So it works. It picks up a few shortwave radio stations, so I'm happy. So yeah, I got antenna. I have looped up. There it is. I got copper wire hooked up to the antenna, looped around, looped over, and tied to the radiator pipe. So they say with shortwave radios, you want like at least 50 feet of antenna, if not like 400 feet, because the shortwave waves are actually ranged somewhere between like I think 50 and 400 feet per wave. So and this goes all the way to the basement, and then